All right, this is the miniature chain project, and for this project, things now have to be modeled correctly. If we have mistakes, then it's not going to animate. So this will be kind of what we're shooting for. Um, we model all the parts, we can assemble the train and get it to animate. But if our modeling is incorrect, then your train will not drive up and down the track. So this is kind of the introductory video. I'm going to go ahead and model these parts kind of in the order that they appear on the drawing sheets with the train body and then hitch magnet and so on. I'm just going to kind of follow these in order, but that's not necessarily the order that we will model them in class. So you can see there's a whole bunch of parts there. In fact, the axle, we're not even going to model the axle. We'll be able to go out to the internet and find that machine screw and download it and show you how to bring that into Fusion. So of course, since this is a new project, um, the other thing we want to make sure we do is in your projects folder, create a train project. And you'll notice I have multiple versions of my train. You're going to want to create you just need a single train folder will be good enough. I have multiple versions to track different years in what I'm going to use for my demo videos. So make sure you create a new project folder called train. And next we will start with modeling the train body.